Kuya, welcome to Canyon Cove Hotel Resort. Check in. Check in. Ang daming tao.
Paot na siya.
Paot na.
Sunday.
Whoa! 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 Is that the beach? Is that a beach? It's a beach! Guys, we have a beach here! Surprise! There's a beach here pala.
Yeah. Oh, you can go there with Daddy.
We're gonna go to the beach and check it out. There's a beach here and we're gonna film. Yay, I can touch the beach again. So, that way there's a beach stuff over here you can see, and that's why we buy beach things. They have a snow ice cream. They have some pool things and also for the beach.
Parking area. Kukunin lang namin yung gamit namin. Kasi hindi pa kami maka-check-in.
No, it might hit the ano.
This is the hotel. May parking area pa doon.
Don't want to, no?
Before we swim, we're gonna eat first. We're in the beach. We're in a beach. I forgot the name.
Canyon Cove.
Yeah, Canyon Cove.
Why you don't like to swim while it's raining? You're gonna get wet?
No, it's still okay.
Going out.
This gonna be
Wow.
wow, great weather today. Let's go.
What?
I said, wow, great weather today. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to my
Wow.
catchphrase. Look at this pool. There's a beach and there's a swimming. That's strange.
Yeah. Kuya. What are you doing? Si Daddy kumuha ng mat namin kasi wala. Yung sound. Even sarang, I'll close this nga. Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
That's the back room. What is this room? I'm just gonna help me open that room.
It's Daddy. Hi. Welcome to our room.
Mommy, in this
If namunot daw, 10 euro yung binunot kada gabi.
Wow.
Libre na raw tayong lahat. Ano.
Wow. I hope we got lucky.
If that's
Okay.
the toilet and the closet, what is this?
Okay, let's check. Oh, be careful bakit parang maluwag siya.
The doorknob is...
Oh, it's so hot.
Ay, my God!
Wait, what? It's a bathroom.
It's hot, kuya, because the aircon is
The view of the ocean.
Yeah.
Ocean view pala tayo. Tingin.
Patay na yung aircon. May init yung buhay.
Oh, this is our view pala. Pero ang init. Grabe yung singaw ng aircon. Anyways, hindi naman natin.
Oh, there's a sign. Please make up room. I just put
I
it
can
here.
smell it.
Somebody is in the bathroom.
I just put it up.
Mm.
There's the view,
It's
a
a
bed.
king size bed, and there's another bed. That's Kuya and Levi's bed.
It's not a bed. It's a sofa for the window.
I think that's your bed. I think that's your bed. Can you open that? Okay din. Maganda din yung room.
We have a mirror, aircon, the toilet.
Kulang ng pillow. Charot. Naka-rest na kami. So, pabalik na kami mag-swimming. We're going down. LL. It's already 4:30. May
I'm
araw
so cold by
pa.
the room. That's why I want to go.
Mainit pa rin. Grabe na yung sunburn ko. Ang lala. Hindi na masyadong maaraw. Naging cloudy na ulit. Tama-tama na yung labas namin. Erin! Erin! Daming tao. Ha? Levi! Levi, say hi! O, si Kuya nang ginagawa. Kuya! Kuya! What are you doing? Ha? Sana makita namin yung sunset. Yan na yung araw pababa na. What? Wow! Daddy and si Kuya. Ito naman kami. Bye. First, kuya. Lumipat na kami dito sa pool kasi hanggang 6 p.m. lang ang beach. Kuya! Aaron! You like it?
Yeah.
Because the water is warm. Heated yung pool. Come on, Levi! Come on, Levi! Huh? It's not salty, yes. Wow, look at the sun, oh. Ganda ng sun. May fire dance daw doon sa isang restaurant. Pero hindi ko sure kung doon kami kakain. Kasi kaka-grill lang na, grill restaurant kasi. Swim! Wala, napasok ba?
You can stand.
May friend si Aaron, ah. Wow! Levi is dancing. Oh, the sky is so clear. Alam nyo ba, nag-worry kami kasi sabi, yung thunderstorm mula kaninang umaga dati. Tapos maulan na rin talaga sa Tagaytay. Pero pagdating dito, sobrang araw, cloudy, maaraw, ganun lang, hindi umuulan. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Papa Jesus, for the good weather. Sana hanggang makauwi kami, ganito na yung weather.
It's already night. We need to go now.
But we need to eat pa. Ay, what is this? Kuya, oh. Mamaya bagsak to. Bagsak to si kuya mamaya. Talon ang talon. Okay, dito kasi heated yung pool. Kahit gabi na, hindi lalamigin ng mga kids.
Kuya, kanina pa dive ng dive. Talon ng talon.
You want to do that? O, gagawin ko lang niya.
Oh, come on, come on.
I will touch you, ah.
Okay.
Okay, one,
1, 2.
Hold my hands muna. And then jump, ha? din dito.
Mommy,
Extra pork.
Japanese one.
Japanese one.
The one with sushi. Behind us.
Prutas. Ayun o, meron kasi dong grilling station. So, let's check. There's a show. There is a fire show, kuya. You wanna watch? Ha?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's try that restaurant. May mga access naman pala, hindi naman need siguro maligo. Kasi ang dumi nung CR nila na changing area. Pag sa elevator ka kasi dadaan, kailangan bawal ang basa. Ayan, ito daw yung grilling station. So parang ihawan siya, ganun. Then later, may show ngayon, may kumakanta. Pero mamayang 8 o'clock may fire show.
It's like you sit down on it, and then the boat will drive you around. And then when it hits a big wave, you're gonna fly in the air and go in the water.
Yeah. Yan daw.
That's why I
UFO ata tawag dyan.
And
Yan po. Hotdog, yan po, barbecue. We're gonna eat na lang dito sa Island Cafe.
wait, Arena Island. Why does it say Island Cafe?
We're in an island.
Huh?
We're in an island. There's an ocean. Buffet din sila dito. Buffet dinner, 800 pesos per person. Pero a la carte na lang kami. Sinigang na bangus and kare-kare yung in-order namin. Parang 400 tsaka 600 pesos yun. Galing. Nauwi kami sa sinigang na baboy. Ano kung gano'n nakalakas kumain si Kuya Eren. Sobrang lakas kumain. Kulang sa gulay yung sinigang, no? Doon sinabi naman nila na kulang sila sa gulay. They give us complimentary. Kasi almost 1 hour kami nag-antay. Sarap nung sinigang. Gusto ko lang ng gulay pa. Kare-kare oxtail. For dessert, we're gonna try the snow ice cream. Ayan ba yan? Ba't ayaw niya mag-focus? Snow ice cream. It's matcha, kuya. You know matcha? Would you like to try it? Yeah, another one. So you pick. No! Just 100 lang, anak. Don't like. You choose between this one and this one. Which one you like? What about Levi's? What about... Oh, Oreo daw. Okay. Oh, can you do it? You look kasi. Can you do it? Ayaw? Ayan, yan, nice. So you see, yan, ayan na. Oh, cut. Ice cream. Okay, and the toppings. Yan, they're putting the toppings now. Oh, Levi naman na mag-get, kuya ha. Levi naman. Give me the item. Oh, you got it, Levi. Where's the strawberry? Ayan. Ay, oo nga. Hala. Ayoko naman na magtawag. Kaya mo na, anak. Kaya mo na, anak.
Hey, there's only one that I...
Good morning, kuya. Good morning.
Good morning. I was so...
Tingnan natin kung ano ang breakfast nila. Hey, no! Hindi ko alam. Nagtanong ako, 250, 30 minutes daw ang kayaking. Hanggang saan ang boundary lang? O dito lang sa may line, kuya? Dito lang sa may line? Sa breakwater. Okay. Hmm, 15 minutes lang kami nagantay. Kaya lang. You want pandesal? You want? Wait, let's have rice, garlic rice, pancit, Spanish sardines, chicken adobo, and pork and beans. Walang plate. That's cornflakes. Ayan sila. Alam mo naman, Daddy. Wow. Ang haba tuloy ng pila.
30 to 45 minutes din na ganito.
Uy, hindi naman. 15 minutes lang.
Ha?
15 minutes lang. 7:20 tayo nakapasok. Tanignan ko yung time. Mga 15 to 20 minutes siguro.
Okay.
Ha? Si Kuya, oh. Sulit na sulit ni Kuya ang buffet. Walang Filipino breakfast. Walang hotdog, longganisa, tocino, tapa. Tapa sana kasi Batangas to.
I got all the American.
Oh, more on American breakfast siya. Tuyo, danggi, corn beef sana. Ating parang Milo para sa mga bata. Juices meron. Kape. You like your food?
Yeah, did you know Australia known the Philippines because of their tropical islands?
Yeah, everybody known Philippines for its tropical island.
I saw this video when this man said, I will go to every country to Minecraft. And then he was in Australia and then he left Australia and then now he said, wait, is this a tropical island? Oh, it's the Philippines. They put the Philippines in second. Maybe the Australians know us really well more than other countries.
We have the best island.
Huh?
We have the best island. We haven't been to Visayas, Kuya eh. You've been to Visayas? You've been to Boracay? Diba? But there's other one, Palawan. The sand is like powder already.
I didn't have time to talk with anyone, so I still don't know their language. Not even a single language I heard of.
Ang dami na nakain. Pandesal, cereal, ngayon pancake. Pangalawa na niyang pancake to. Blueberry. Busog. Ubus. Ubus na fruits. Yummy? Yummy? What's your favorite ulam? I want swimming pool now. Beach, anak. Beach. You have swimming pool naman in nanay's house. Okay. Andito yung mga damit namin. Agat mo kay Liba yan eh. Ayun ba? Hindi nakafocus. Mainit na nga eh. Ano ba yan? Don't forget sunscreen. Dito lang yung room pala namin. Diyos ko, umiikot pa kami sa lobby. Ito na yung, nandito lang yung room namin. Padala mo. Sana galito lang, oh, cloudy. Hindi mainit. Okay. Si Kuya. Lagyan ng ano. Lagyan lang beach boys. Kuya. Busy fish? Kuya! Ang lalim ngayon ah. Kahapon eh. Kahapon di ganito no? Biglang lumalim. Ewan ko. Ano mo lang? Levi! Again. Tapos na kami magpahinga. Back to swimming! Back to swimming. Nung 2 bulinggit na lang yung magsuswimming. Pagod na si Mami at Daddy mag-swimming. We're not gonna swim na, ha? Okay? Wala, katapos ang beach. Kakaulan lang. Basa. Babas lang ako. Ay, umakyat lang ako kasi nag-low tide na kanina. Nandito yung diba, nandyan. Yung ano. Ay, ano ba yan? Liba your butt.
Her butt is full of fun.
More. Let me see.
Like you're watching your butt.
Let me see.
What's your butt?
Sit down, dali. Sit down ka.
What's your butt? What's your butt?
Okay. Sa pa nga ako, parang meron pa. Yun ang lomihan. Ito, mangkulas. Sobrang lapit lang nito sa canyon ko. Kasi maulan. Sarap maglomi. Ito yung mga prices nila. Daddy, sabi ko antayin kita. Anong gusto mo?
Lomi. Limpian todo, gusto mo?
What does that mean?
Thank you po. Bye.
Akin lang yan.
Pang kanya lang daw. Tingnan natin.
Huh?
May order na lang ulit tayo. That's what you call, ano? Loming Batangas.
What is C in Tagalog? Because I don't get it.
Lomingon. Lomingon. Nagtataka siya, ano daw to? Paano? Pinapa-explain. Ay. Yeah, para ako coffee. Thank you po. Ay! Kaping barako. How was it, kuya? Good? Sisig. Hindi ko na na-video.
Mommy,
Ito naman hot silog. Murder pa kami.
Ano daw, mami?
Gutom na gutom.
Kaso nung gusto ko na lang. Ang lakas kumain na to.
Kaya nga, murder pa tayo sa pansisig. Ay, isa pang lomi. Diba? Bitin. Yun daw yung yummiest. Eh, hotdog lang yan eh. Bitin kami. Part 2 pa. Umorder pa ulit ng isang lomi tsaka hotdog. Yummy, kuya? Yummy, kuya?
What does this taste like?
Spicy. You want to try? Sisig yun. Sisig.
Why not put some sour and spicy? They mix.
I did. I did.
Diba they mix perfectly?
Yeah, I did. I did put.
I still feel like I'm in the ocean when I stop moving. Like the wave are pushing me. I like it.
TV, oh. That's already fancy when I was a kid. Kuya.
But nowadays, this is
Black and white. Kuya.
There's no color.
There's no color.
Yeah, I know. There's no color. Because I sometimes I just watch videos that's so
Cute.
of TV with gray.
Ito yung room natin. Diyan, sa 3rd floor. We're back from eating good food, lomi.
Why you said back to school?
Back to school? I said we're back in the hotel. We're back in the hotel.
This is the room system.
Busog. Busog, daddy. Good morning. Bye-bye. Pila na naman sa breakfast. Sarap mag-swimming ng mga bata, oh. Yun, oh. Mainit kasi yung pool, eh. Kaya masarap mag-swimming. Pool or beach? Pool? Really? You don't like the beach na?
Yeah, it hurt me.
You have ouchie?
It hurt around my feet.
Simula kahapon, marami pa. Pero I'm sure mas puno to ng ano, no? Ng Sabado, Linggo, no? Lalo na yung mga nagde-day tour. Ang dami nung Linggo. Breakfast day 2. Ha? What do you want? Rice, garlic. Ay, Erin, there's carbonara. Erin. Spanish sardines, ham, pineapple, grease, corned beef. Corned beef ba yun? Yummy? Pancake, kinabangan ni Daddy. Hindi pa namin nasulit yung pool. So, dito na lang kami. Last day na namin. Pa-check out na kami mamaya, 11. Maganda pa din ang beach kahit cloudy. Nagsawa na. Don't want to swim na daw. We're going home. Yun na sila kuya, nag-ano na lang. Tsaka si daddy. Nag-rinse na lang sila. Pipicture lang. Wait lang. Video lang. Bye, Canyon ko.
Bye, Canyon ko.
Look here, on your left.
The bird doon.
Oh, yung ganda ng bird. Ay, ito na yun. We've been here before. This is where Tata is friend.
Earlier, this is the monkey's bag. This is the other monkey.
Final agenda, magpa-full tank. Nag-full tank kami bago umalis ng Maynila. Then ngayon, magpa-full tank ulit kami para malaman kung magkano yung gas namin. So from Maynila to Tagaytay to Nasugbu, tapos to pabalik ng Maynila. Oh, nasa 1,000. Kaya dalawa yung nabawas eh. Ilan ba ang isang linya? Kasi nung nasa Nasugbu na tayo, di pa nabawasan yung linya eh. Yung pabalik kasi nag-Ternate kami, so medyo bundok siya. Baka doon kumain ng kumain. No?
We have the Beyblade X.
Puro paahon siya. Yan na, nasa 900. Ha? 10 liters in total consumption. Nasa 260 kilometers overall tayo, no, Daddy? 130. That's our trip. Until next time. Yeah, may shopping pa siya. Say bye.
Bye. Can you scan this QR code?
Yeah, I will scan that. That's Kuya's new Beyblade.
Yeah, wait. I'm gonna make them scan the QR code. You cannot beat me if you have that. Everyone pause
That's silly, ba?
do this QR code. Everyone pause if you want to check this Beyblade app.
Oh, you say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Until next time.
Next time. I cannot reach you.
Rich, cover the camera.
Ow.
Not like that.